The driver totally didn't care about the biker's presence on the road, so he decided to react sharply. Excessive speed and the moment when the biker got completely blinded by the sun totally killed his momentum. The driver completely ignored the stop sign, which means that she was barely able to brake right in front of the biker.
You've gotta stop! Jesus Christ! You could have killed me there! You got a stop sign! Jesus Christ!
The driver wanted to prove something, trying to outride the bikers, which ended up quite nasty for him. We can see the entire situation, but the biker gets hit by the driver who doesn't see any of his own fault in this.
Pick up the bike.
Be careful with him. No, don't move him. Don't move him. Leave him.
I have to first aid.
Okay.
Can you just lay your feet down? Lay your feet down.
one second, man. He's gonna move the bike, so let me hold the bike and then they drop on the side.
Hold the bike.
Yeah. Hold back, don't come forward, hold back.
Can you open your eyes and you can breathe? Okay. You can breathe, okay?
Edgeway Road, it's Edgeway Road, 170.
Yeah, got it.
Go back.
Ambulance, please. Yep. Yes, he's breathing.
Hold my hand.
Yes, he's awake. He's been hit on his motorcycle by a car.
It's not very well, okay?
Sorry?
He's not very low.
Hold my hand.
It's Edgware Road.
173, 175 Edgeway Road.
173, 175 Edgware Road.
Somebody give me the room we can go. He was coming very fast.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not. It's still on the ring. Don't close it.
After that, no.
It was very close, and if the driver ignored the red light, this could have ended terribly for a few bikers. An angry man interrupted the bikers' peace and he accused them of being too loud.
Digga, ich wollte aber halt eigentlich... Warte, wie spät ist es? Bruder, aber ich fahre jetzt nach Hause, Digga. Ich wollte um 20 Uhr bei meiner Freundin sein.
Noch einmal so ein Ding und ich nehme euch die Karren weg. Verstanden? Das ist nicht normal, was ihr hier treibt. Zu laut. Doch, weil ihr seid so laut, ich höre nichts mehr.
Ja,
Nicht naja.
aber
Es
legal
ist vorbei.
ja.
Nichts ist da legal. Du kannst mir nicht einen Bär noch finden.
Ja, ich weiß ja, dass
Okay.
es okay. Wir müssen ja Ahnung davon haben.
Ne, ich hab gar nicht. Eure Dinger sind bald leise.
Ja, das ist ein normaler Auspuff, also Sportauspuff.
Pass mal auf, Keule.
Gerne mal
Ist mir scheißegal, da ist garantiert kein Dämpfer drin.
Da ist ein Dämpfer drin.
Ja, ja.
Hier oben ist er doch.
Aber nicht der Dämpfer.
Ja, das müssen wir ja schauen.
Das wird der TÜV feststellen.
Ja, hast du ja drinnen.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Pretty good. How you doing, officer?
I'm stopping you for 65 and a 45.
I know. I'm sorry. I wasn't even looking down at my odometer, and then right as you passed me, I looked down. I'm like, crap. I hope he doesn't turn around.
As long as your bike's valid, license valid, insurance.
We good, man.
Gonna get out of here with a warrant, dude. Got her. Perfect. All right, man. Just slow down.
Appreciate it, man.
All right?
It's really windy today. Wait, it came out of nowhere.
Earlier, and all of a sudden I was like, oh.
Yeah, right? Have a good day, man. Appreciate it. Oh, that's a nice cup. What? That wind just... Yeah, I got on the bike and the wind just boof knocked me over.
Picking these up? I guess this is a light one.
Yeah, it's only like, what, 300 pounds?
You ever get a bigger one and it goes down on you, bend the handlebar, grab here, grab back
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
and you walk it up.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, this is light. I can almost carry the thing.
I know, I rode motorcycles to the sheriff's office too, and those are some big son of bikes.
Yeah, I just got it off the stand, all of a sudden wind goes whoosh. It was insane.
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.
Come on, man.